I had been, the mom living life on the sidelines and not actually living life with my kids. I just felt like everybody was going in fast forward while I was in slow motion. As I continued to talk to my cousin about it, I just noticed something different about her. There was this spark in her eye, and once she told me actually that it could help with physical discomfort, that's what pushed me over the edge to give a 3-day experience a shot. That first day, I just noticed something different. I felt the spark like I had seen in her. I had energy. I wasn't just sitting on the couch. I was up moving about. And I thought actually it was in my head because I'd tried so many other things in the past to help with energy as well. And by day 3, I knew it wasn't just in my head. To be able to give my kids the mom that they deserve and to be able to actually be in it with them and live life with them and be at the same pace and be able to keep up. It's just been an incredible experience. I can't imagine my life without it.